Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error whenever you're trying to install any applications or use the Microsoft Store in Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, I want you to go on your Windows Start menu, type Services, left click on it, right? And you can click on any option over here and press letter M on your keyboard. We need to look for Microsoft Store installer service, this one, right? So take note of this. You can double click and start up type. Make sure this is set to automatic. Then click on apply. And before you close it, I want you to make sure to click on start. So this will automatically run itself on automatic and then press OK. Then you can now close this. And the next troubleshoot, here, Windows Start menu, look for Microsoft Store. Right click, Application Settings, and scroll down, click on Repair. This might take a few seconds to a minute. Just patiently wait, and once done, here I have mine. It has a check mark, which indicates that it's successfully done. You can now close this, go back here. This time, I want you to look for WSR reset. Okay, this one. You need to click on this command or making sure that everything will run smoothly. Run as the admin, right? Click on it. It will automatically open up your Microsoft Store and you can now proceed, download everything, install any applications as you wish. It should now resolve this issue. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.